The genesis of this project is easy. I got a really good deal on a bunch of these shop lights from a buddy of mine. I think I got them for $10 a piece. So today I'm going to show you an easy way to mount shop lights anywhere you want without fighting with anchors or anything else. All you need is a good stud finder, some firring strips, a couple of screws, and some cheap hooks. I'm removing all the chain off these mounting pins because I want the shop lights as close to the ceiling as possible. The lights I'm hanging in the garage today are actually going to be above the garage doors when they're open. The reason why I like using firring strips is primarily because I can do all the measuring, drilling, and pre-screwing on the ground. So there'll be 3 screws holding this to the ceiling joist, one at either end and one in the middle, and there'll be 2 small holes for these cup hooks, which the shop light will hang off of. So you see the screw is sticking out way too far. I put that right on top of a mark where my ceiling joist is, and I already have it screwed into one ceiling joist. Then all I have to do is align it and shoot the other 2 screws into the joist, and I'm home free. You'll notice that I intentionally chose a firring strip that was extremely warped to show that it pulls flat when you screw it to the ceiling. Space the hooks so that the support pin clip thing is splayed slightly out so that if you bump the light it won't just fall off the hook. You have to bump it pretty good. Normally I would have run another outlet out to where I'm installing the lights on the other side of the garage, but I have 3/4 inch plywood decking full of stuff in the garage above where the lights are going to be installed. So in lieu of that, I'm just running an extension cord. It's not as pretty, but it's the only way I can get this project done without tearing the entire attic up, and that's not happening. If you're mounting a lot of shop lights side by side, you can put the strips perpendicular to the lights and mount them like this. Either way, it's a super easy way to mount shop lights and should take a lot of the frustration out of it. Thanks for watching!